Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be showing you how I keep my hair big, nice, and fluffy. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, La Vida Rosa Style. And I have a bunch of cute earrings, including the ones I'm wearing now. So go ahead and click that link down below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm starting with a 3-day-old braid out, which still looks great, but I need more moisture in my hair. And excuse me, it's hot. I have the fan on. That's why my hair is like moving in the wind. So next, I'm just gonna part my hair in the back, you know, section it off like I do. And I'm gonna use Carol's Daughter's hair milk in the place of water. And I'm just gonna basically not drench the hair, but make sure it's damp with the hair milk. Next, I'm gonna take some hair butter, and this is actually a sample. I forgot what the name of it is, but I'm just gonna take a small little bit and apply it to that same section. Next, I'm gonna take Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream, and I'm gonna take a very generous amount and apply it to that section until I see like some life in my hair, you know, start waving up, curling up. That's how I know. And then I'll take a wide tooth comb and basically detangle with that. My hair in the very back is always the most knotted by the 3rd day, so that's why it's taking me a little bit longer to detangle. And from there, I'm just going to begin to braid my hair, just a regular braid. Y'all, I don't know if y'all could tell, but ever since I got these false nails, it's been a struggle for me to figure out how to braid my hair again. Like, I usually go so fast, but the nails have been getting in the way, and I've been trying to like get it right. And if my hair feels a little dry on the ends, I'll add more of the cream, and then I'll take a small tooth comb and comb through that. And I might braid down a little bit more, but I twist the very ends of my hair. I feel like that holds in the moisture whenever I just twist instead of braid all the way down. And basically, I just continue that process overall of my head. I don't really have a rhyme or reason to how I part. Really, the parts are not even around the same size. My braids are all different sizes. It really doesn't matter. But if you want it to be longer, then make smaller braids. If you want like a chunkier look, then you do bigger braids. And also decide whether you want a middle part or side part, or what style you would like, because it's important to go ahead and braid your hair and part your hair in that way. I want a middle part, so I made sure to part my hair down the middle and have the braids falling in the direction that I want them to be for the style. So it's parted down the middle and the braids are like falling on the sides, because that's the way I want my style to look, as you can see in the beginning. And here are my braids once I'm finished. Really, they're plaits, but you know what I'm saying. My hair just keeps getting longer. I'm so happy about that. Oh yeah, I also use Shea Moisture hair balm for the ends of my hair, and I really love this stuff because it keeps your ends healthy. So usually I apply this when I'm done twisting my hair, but I forgot, so I'm just gonna go back behind them and just apply it to each and every braid on the ends, because this stuff really works. Okay, it's the next day and I'm about to take my braids down. For this process, I needed a rat tail comb because once again these nails are getting in the way. I think I'm gonna get them a little bit shorter next time. But yeah, I'm just gonna basically take the braids down. Nothing too hard about that. It's super easy. So once I take my hair down, my hair has sort of a fluffy look, but that's not good enough for me. Okay, so I'm going to take a afro pick and pick it from the roots all over my head, because that's what gives it that big fluffy feeling. So just pick. And once I picked out that one side, you can clearly see that it makes a difference when you pick it out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. And voila, you have beautiful, fluffy, natural hair. I love this hairstyle. I wear it all the time. It's one of my favorites. I would love to know what you guys think down below. Tell me if you like this hairstyle and give me a thumbs up if you like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.